Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add captions manually here on CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now to add captions manually, there are two different ways of doing this. I'm going to grab a couple of clips here just so I can give a better idea as to what I mean. So you can see I have two clips here. I'm going to drag this one down because I know there is speaking in this one. Then I want to go to text at the very top. And from here, I then want to go off to the left-hand side. Now I can upload my own individual captions if I have them by clicking here, click import file, and then drag and dropping the script itself into here, and then it'll apply. You can also auto caption. So if I click this button, you can see I've selected the language, and also there's no bilingual captions, and I just click generate. Now, this feature is under the Pro membership, so if you don't have access to this, that is because you will need to pay for this service. But you can see in a second, it will have completely read through the entire video and generated captions for me. So you see each of these little red boxes is where it has discovered text. So you can see right now. I can then go to the top right of my screen, click captions, and from here, I can then change what the captions say. There you go. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.